A single Dollar Tree vegetable storage container has a hidden basket insert that turns it into a self-watering planter for $1.25. Most gardeners walk right past the cleaning aisle, but a $1 broom handle outlasts every bamboo stake in the garden section. Today you will see 10 Dollar Tree items that replace $40 garden tools, plus 3 specific items you should never buy. What Dollar Tree garden item do you swear by that nobody talks about? Drop it below. Best answer gets featured next week. Did you know? A wire cooling rack from the kitchen aisle flips vertical to become an instant climbing trellis for $1. Never buy the Dollar Tree watering cans. The design is terrible and water spills over the sides instead of through the spout. Try this. Grab a clear scalloped container from the party aisle and fill it with succulents for an instant designer terrarium. That container's removable basket creates a false floor. Roots grow down into the water reservoir and your plant waters itself completely. Coconut fiber liner sheets for $1.25 replace expensive peat moss. They improve drainage and keep soil light in every single container. Natural jute bags from the craft aisle become hanging herb pouches. Fill with soil and hang from S-hooks outside your kitchen door. Glass vases inverted into your soil act as slow-release watering globes. Add glass gems for weight and your plants drink for days. Never waste money on rocket pockets. Gardeners report terrible germination and the mixed flower varieties are particularly unreliable every single season. White foam coolers become mini greenhouses. Line them with aluminum foil to reflect sunlight and trap warmth for tender seedlings overnight. Test this tonight. Drape a clear shower curtain over your garden bed as invisible frost armor that traps heat without blocking light. Wooden broom handles driven 12 inches deep at planting time create rigid stakes strong enough for full-grown tomato plants all season. Budget bamboo stakes split and snap under heavy fruit. That is your third Dollar Tree item to skip every time without exception. Unfinished wooden crates stacked on their sides create instant tiered shelving for succulents. A $3 farmhouse display that looks like 30. Wrap jute rope around any plain plastic pot with craft glue. Instant farmhouse planter that every visitor will think cost $20. If these hacks saved you $40 at the garden center, tap like so more gardeners discover what Dollar Tree is hiding. Did you know? River stones from the craft aisle absorb daytime sun and quietly release heat into your soil all night long. Horticultural charcoal at the bottom of any transparent container prevents odor and manages drainage. Your succulents stay clean and alive all year. Mirror tiles from wall decor mounted on your fence create a garden illusion. Your tiny backyard suddenly feels twice its size. Rolling plant stands for $1.50 let you chase sunlight across the patio. No more bending down to lift heavy pots ever again. Glue a glass candlestick under a Dollar Tree bowl and spray paint both. A designer planter pedestal for $2.50 total. Citronella incense sticks at $1.50 for a 6-pack keep mosquitoes away from your entire patio, cheaper than any hardware store candle. Metal butterfly stakes add instant color to bare flower beds. Cluster 3 together for a designer focal point under $5. Garden jute twine secures climbing roses to any fence or trellis. It blends into greenery and is stronger than any kitchen string you own. Mismatched decorative plates from Dollar Tree mounted on your fence create a charming art gallery wall for under $5 total. Start thinking spring in January when Dollar Tree stocks fresh supplies. By March the best garden items are gone from every shelf. February is your most crucial month. Grab seed starter bricks and coconut fiber before weekend gardeners clean out the entire aisle. Now the hack that transforms your entire backyard. Grab 2 tension rods from the cleaning aisle and 1 outdoor fabric panel. Position rods between fence posts and drape the fabric. You now have a full privacy screen with 0 drilling and 0 damage. Swap fabric seasonally. Light mesh for summer breeze, thick vinyl for winter wind. Your private backyard oasis for under $5. This hack transforms an exposed backyard into a private retreat. Pop it out in 2 seconds flat if your landlord knocks. Someone in our community built a living privacy wall using nothing but cooling racks and tension rods. Pure Dollar Tree genius. Every new subscriber means one more gardener done overpaying at the garden center. Hit subscribe and we keep these breakdowns coming. What is the craziest Dollar Tree hack you ever pulled off? The one that made your neighbors stare. Drop it below. Your dream garden needs no big budget, $1 tree trip and the creativity to see gold where others walk right past.